You're watching a YouTube video that earns $15 to $30 every single 1,000 views. No face, no voice, no expensive equipment, and the channel it came from, it targets Australia, and barely anyone is competing for that audience. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to build one from scratch today. Right now, every creator on YouTube is chasing the same thing. Start a USA channel, target the US audience. Best USA niches, and the result? The US market is so saturated, new channels have almost zero chance of breaking through. But while everyone is fighting over the same pie in America, Australia is sitting there, high RPM, low competition, wide open. Here's what I'm going to show you today, a very specific strategy, an Australia-based faceless channel built around 90s nostalgia and Studio Ghibli-style AI visuals. This niche hits a rare combination. It's emotionally addictive, visually beautiful, and almost completely untouched. By the end of this video, you'll have the full system, channel setup, SEO, your first viral video, everything. Let's get into it. Here's exactly what we're covering. Step by step, how much can an Australian channel actually earn with real numbers, not guesses? How to pick a channel name that the algorithm and viewers both respond to. How to create a logo, banner, and channel identity that communicates emotion in under 1 second. The exact SEO settings, tags, description, and channel structure that tell YouTube who to push your content to. How to warm up a brand new channel properly. How to create your first Ghibli-style AI video, and the upload strategy that gives your first video the best possible chance of going viral. Everything in one video, no fluff, no filler. Quick note, all prompts and workflows are pinned in the comments, but if you want to understand why they work, stay with me. Before we dive in, if this kind of strategy is what you've been looking for, hit subscribe. I make videos exactly like this, in real systems, real niches, built step by step. Now, let's build your channel. Before we set up a viral channel and start choosing SEO optimized channel name, the logo, or a single video, do not trust me blindly that Australian channel is a gold mine. We need to validate one thing practically. If this niche actually going to pay you? Or are we about to spend the next 3 months building something that earns nothing? Because this is exactly where 90% of creators fail. They pick a niche that feels exciting. They work hard, they stay consistent, and then 6 months later, they're looking at a $3 RPM, wondering what went wrong. They never validated, they just guessed. We are not going to guess. I'm going to run this niche validation prompt inside ChatGPT right now, and what it shows us is honestly hard to believe at first. Look at this. In the first 3 months, 20,000 to 250,000 monthly views. Month 3 to 6, 150,000 to 1 million. And by month 12, if you follow this system, 500,000 to 5 million monthly views. Now, here's the number that changes everything. The RPM for this niche in Australia, $15 to $32 per 1,000 views. Let me give you context. Most tech YouTubers from South Asia or India grind for years and never break $5 RPM. But here, in a nostalgia and Ghibli-style entertainment channel, we are starting at $15. That's not a mistake in the data. So what does that actually look like in your bank account? At 50,000 views a month, $200 to $600, completely passive. At 500,000 views, which is realistic within 6 months of consistency, that becomes $1,200 to $3,600 per month. One viral video a month that is 1 million views. $4,000 to $12,000. 2 or 3 viral videos per month. 5 million views. $20,000 to $60,000 a month. And here's the thing. Even at a worst case $4 RPM, at 5 million views, you're still looking at $20,000. This niche literally cannot lose at scale. Now, here's where it gets interesting, because knowing the numbers is one thing, but the way we're going to set up this channel and choose a viral plus SEO optimized channel name, that alone can double your click-through rate before you've made a single video. Don't skip this part. Step 2, your channel name. Most creators spend about 10 minutes on this. They type something that sounds vaguely related to their niche, and they move on. And that one lazy decision costs them months of growth. Your channel name is not just a label. It is the first signal you send to two audiences simultaneously, your viewer and the YouTube algorithm. In under 2 seconds, it has to do 3 things. Tell them what your content is, tell them who it's for, and make them feel something. 4 rules. Note these down. Rule 1. Trigger emotion instantly. Words like nostalgia, memories, 90s, Aussie, lane, these aren't just descriptive. They are emotional shortcuts that bypass logic and hit directly in the chest. Use them. Rule 2. Keep it under 3 words. Long names are forgettable. Short names are brandable. If a friend can't repeat your channel name back to someone in a conversation, it's too long. Rule 3. Feel like a story, not a business. We are not building a company. We are building an emotional experience. The name should feel like something you'd whisper to a friend, not something on a business card. Rule 4. Make the algorithm understand you. When your name contains words people actually search, nostalgia, Australia, 90s, memories, YouTube can identify your audience and push your content to the right people from day one. We can use this channel name idea generator master prompt inside ChatGPT. It generated 15 names across 3 categories: emotional nostalgia focus, cinematic storytelling, and modern short-form brand style. Out of all 15, one stands out. And once you hear it, you'll feel exactly why. Aussie Memory Lane. Read that again. You immediately know what kind of channel this is. You feel something. You can already picture the thumbnail. That is the power of a name chosen with strategy instead of intuition. For your handle, mirror the name exactly. No numbers, no underscores, no variations. At the rate Aussie Memory Lane. Clean, identical, and instantly trustworthy to the algorithm. Now, creating the channel takes about 90 seconds, but the logo we're about to generate, that's where most creators make a mistake that quietly kills their brand forever. Stay with me. Create a fresh Gmail account, verify it with your mobile number, country doesn't matter. Go to YouTube on desktop, click your profile picture, select Create Channel, enter the name and handle. Simple. Now, before you click Create, we're going to generate the logo first. Because your profile picture loads before anything else on the page, it is your first impression. And here is the truth most creators ignore. People may not remember your video, but they will always remember how your channel looked and felt. 5 rules for a logo that works. Rule 1. Simple and clear at a small size. Because your logo appears at 88 by 88 pixels in search results. If it's complex, it becomes a blur. Rule 2. No text. At a small size, any text becomes completely unreadable. Your logo must communicate through visuals and color alone. Rule 3. Warm nostalgic colors. Sunset tones, golden hour, amber, and soft orange. These trigger emotion before the brain has processed a single word. Rule 4. Ghibli-style visuals. A character, a scene element, a silhouette. Something that instantly communicates your niche identity. Rule 5. Emotion in 1 second. If you have to explain the feeling your logo creates, the logo has already failed. You can simply use this logo generation master prompt. This prompt will generate a detailed text-to-image prompt for our profile picture. Simply use this master prompt in the same ChatGPT conversation and replace the channel name placeholder. It will provide us with a detailed prompt for generating a profile picture or channel logo for our Australia-based 90s nostalgia plus Ghibli AI niche channel. Now just copy this detailed prompt and go to flow.google. Then sign up for a new Google Flow account. Next, open a new project. Now there are 2 image models available, Nano Banana 2 and Nano Banana Pro. Let's go ahead with Nano Banana 2 model. Select the 1:1 aspect ratio. Since Google Flow offers free AI image generation, you can select up to 4 images per prompt. Now paste the detailed profile picture prompt, and within a few seconds, it will generate 4 versions of your channel profile picture. You will notice all 4 versions look amazing. Now before moving ahead, let's also select Nano Banana Pro and generate 4 versions from this model as well. And within a few seconds, you will get 4 more variations. Now simply download the version you like the most, in high quality, 2K resolution. Next, before uploading this profile picture, we should rename the file with an SEO-optimized name. So let's ask ChatGPT to generate an SEO-friendly file name so that it helps YouTube algorithm improve the visibility and discoverability of our newly created channel. Now copy the suggested name and rename your profile picture file. Once done, go back to the channel creation page and upload the profile picture. Finally, click on the Create Channel button, and within a few seconds, your new Australia-based 90s Nostalgia plus Studio Ghibli plus Ghibli AI channel will be successfully created. Next, we need to create our channel banner. And before generating it, we need to understand one thing. Your banner is not just a background, it is your channel's first full impression. So make sure your channel banner must create instant recognition. It must communicate emotion at first glance. It must align perfectly with the niche visually. It must strengthen your brand identity. It must make your channel look premium and trustworthy. Because when someone lands on your channel, this is the first thing they see. And within a few seconds, they decide whether to stay or leave. And to achieve this, we must follow some rules. Rule 1. The banner design must be clean and uncluttered, because too many elements create confusion. Rule 2. It must be optimized for 2560 by 1440 resolution, because that is YouTube's recommended size. Rule 3. Keep the main content in the center safe area, so it is visible on all devices. Rule 4. Use warm, nostalgic lighting, like sunset or golden hour, because it creates emotional connection. Rule 5. Include Ghibli-style visuals with Australian nostalgic elements, because it matches our niche. Also make sure the headline text is simple and readable, like 90s Australian nostalgia, because clarity equals better recall. And just like before, we will use this powerful prompt inside ChatGPT, same conversation, and replace the channel name placeholder. It will provide a detailed text-to-image prompt for generating a high-quality, cinematic YouTube channel banner. Copy this detailed YouTube banner image prompt. Then go to Google Flow again and select 16:9 aspect ratio. I recommend using Nano Banana 2 image model only. Now paste the prompt, click on Generate, and within a few seconds, it will create 4 versions of your channel banner. Download the version you like the most in high quality 2K resolution. Again, ask ChatGPT to provide an SEO-optimized file name for this banner to maximize visibility and discoverability. Copy the suggested name and rename your banner image. Now go to your newly created YouTube channel. Click on Customize Channel, then upload the banner image, and finally, click on Publish to update it. Now, here's a step that 99% of creators completely skip, and it's the reason their channels get pushed to the wrong audience for months. We're going to fix that right now with tags. Most creators go straight to writing their channel description. That is a mistake. Do the tags first. Because once you have the right tags, you can weave them naturally into your description, and the whole thing becomes one cohesive SEO foundation instead of 2 disconnected pieces. Here's what channel tags actually do. They are not decorative. They are direct signals to the YouTube algorithm. They tell it, this is what my channel is about, and this is the audience who should see it. If those signals are wrong or generic, YouTube pushes your content to the wrong people. Wrong audience means low watch time. Low watch time means the algorithm buries you, and you spend months wondering why nothing is growing. We use a 3-layer keyword strategy. Layer 1, core identity. These define exactly what the channel is. Tags like Ghibli Style Australia, 90s Nostalgia Australia, Australian Childhood Nostalgia. These should be the first 10 tags. Layer 2, Discovery Expansion. These help the algorithm expand your reach into adjacent audiences. Use tags like Cozy Animation Australia, Relaxing Nostalgic Video, Aesthetic Australia 90s. Layer 3. Emotional triggers. These connect with the psychological intent of your viewer. Use tags like Childhood Memories, Australia, Nostalgic Feelings, Before Smartphones, Australia. Every tag must be under 40 characters. No generic keywords, only targeted and niche-specific signals. And just like before, we will use this powerful tags generation prompt inside the same ChatGPT conversation. No need to change anything in this prompt. It will generate 20 highly optimized tags. Ask ChatGPT. Provide all the tags in a comma-separated copyable code block. Copy them, go to YouTube Studio, Settings, Channel Settings, paste into the keywords field, save. Next, we need to set up a powerful SEO-optimized channel description, and this is where most creators write 3 sentences and call it done. What we're about to build is completely different. It's an SEO engine disguised as a channel description. Your channel description is not text that fills an empty box. It is your SEO foundation, the document that tells YouTube exactly what your channel is, who it's for, and why it should be recommended. If this is weak, YouTube will struggle to categorize you, and a channel YouTube can't categorize is a channel YouTube won't promote. A high-performing description does 5 things. It defines the audience clearly. In our case, it should define Australians aged 22 to 45 who grew up in the 90s. It communicates emotion, nostalgia, calm, belonging, childhood memory. It establishes a content promise, cinematic, Ghibli-style storytelling. It naturally includes your core keywords at least 3 times, and it makes a viewer feel connected within the first 2 sentences. And just like before, we will use this prompt inside the same ChatGPT conversation to generate a highly optimized channel description. Before copying this description, enter this prompt. Replace all the bullet points with relevant emojis. Copy the description, paste it into YouTube Studio, add your business email below it, publish. Next, we need to upload a video watermark. Usually, people upload their channel logo, but we will do something different. We will upload a transparent subscribe bell icon. This helps increase the subscribe rate. I have personally tested this, and it works really well. You can find this file in the description. Once uploaded, publish all the changes. Now, the settings that actually target Australian viewers. These are invisible to most creators, but they matter more than you think. Go to General Settings, set currency to Australian dollar. Channel Settings, set country to Australia. Yes, even if you're not in Australia, you are targeting the Australian audience, not representing your home address. When you set up AdSense, use your real address. But here, Australia is the correct choice. Advanced Settings, select Not Made for Kids. Disable potentially inappropriate words. And critically, do not allow third-party companies to train AI on your content. Protect your creative work from day one. Upload defaults, set visibility to unlisted. Category to entertainment. Video language to Australian English. Title and description language to Australian English. Community moderation. Hold comments with hashtags and URLs for review. Feature eligibility. Verify your phone number to unlock intermediate features. Complete video verification for advanced features. That process takes 24 to 48 hours. Start it now so it doesn't delay you later. Channel is now completely set up and SEO optimized. But here's where most creators make a critical mistake. They upload their first video immediately. But I personally recommend, please don't do it. There's a 48-hour step that quietly doubles your initial reach. Let me show you. Before uploading anything, wait 48 hours. And use that time to do something very specific. Watch Australian content in your niche. Search for 90s Nostalgia Australia, Aussie Childhood Memories, Ghibli-style animation. Watch full videos, like them, leave genuine comments. Do this consistently for 2 days. What you're doing is building your channel's initial audience map. You're teaching YouTube's algorithm. This account is interested in this specific type of content for this specific audience. When you upload, YouTube already has context. It knows where to push your first video. Skip this step, and you're uploading into a vacuum. Do this step, and you're uploading into a primed audience signal. Now, it's time to create videos for this Australia-based YouTube channel with 90s nostalgia in Studio Ghibli AI style. But before that, we need a viral video idea. And this is where I need your full attention, because the way most creators approach content ideas is completely backwards. The thing that actually makes a video go viral is not a random topic. It's something much deeper than that. Here's what most creators get completely wrong about viral content. They think going viral is about picking the right topic. So they research trending topics and make videos about events, facts, and information. And then they wonder why nobody watches past the 30-second mark. Viral nostalgia content is not about events. It is about forgotten feelings. Think about this. Nobody searches for things that happened in Australia in 1998. But millions of Australians feel a pang in their chest when they hear the word Hills Hoist or see a photo of a Saturday morning cartoon setup. That feeling, that's what we're bottling. And to do this properly, we will use a powerful content ideas generator prompt inside ChatGPT. Open a new chat, paste the prompt. It generated 10 high-impact, emotionally charged video ideas built specifically to trigger 90s nostalgia in an Australian audience. Read through them. Feel which one hits hardest. The one I'm going with for this tutorial. A day in the life of an Aussie kid in 1998. No phones, just freedom. Feel that? You already have a memory attached to that title, even if you weren't in Australia in 1998. That emotional pull is what drives people to click, watch, and share. Next, we need to generate scene details for our video. Your scenes are not just visuals, they are emotional memory triggers. Each one should make a viewer stop, feel something specific, and think, I remember that. If a scene doesn't create a feeling, cut it. And to do this properly, we use a powerful scene detail generation master prompt. Simply paste this prompt in ChatGPT. Replace the video topic placeholder with your chosen topic and set the number of scenes you want. I highly recommend generating 200 or more scenes because longer videos generally perform better on YouTube. But for first video, I recommend going with 50 to 60 scenes because this will be our pilot video and I want you to learn and understand the process so that you can make longer videos later. Once you hit generate, it will create 25 scenes at a time. You can continue generating until all scenes are completed. Once all the scenes are ready, let's move to the next step. That is generating our characters. This is the step that determines whether your video feels like a professional production or a random collection of AI images pasted together. Characters are your emotional anchors. They are the reason viewers keep watching. When a character looks different in scene 12 than they did in scene 3, the viewer's brain registers it unconsciously. Immersion breaks, they scroll away, and your watch time collapses. And to do this properly, we use a powerful character generation prompt. Simply paste this prompt in ChatGPT in the same conversation. It gives you detailed text-to-image prompts for each character. Go to Google Flow, 1-to-1 ratio, paste each character prompt, generate, download, and rename using the character's name. Do this for every character. These character images become your reference images. Every single scene that includes a character uses that character's reference image to maintain visual consistency. And if you want to generate all characters in one click using bulk automation, then watch the above video at timestamp 7 minutes 22 seconds. Next, we need to generate our scene images. And this is the exact moment where most creators quietly destroy their entire video without even realizing it. They generate images scene by scene randomly without a system. And what happens? Scene 3, the main character has brown hair. Scene 7, suddenly he's blonde. Scene 12, he looks like a completely different person. The viewer doesn't consciously notice it, but their brain does. And the moment their brain registers inconsistency, immersion breaks, watch time drops, and no amount of good background music or smooth transitions can save it. And to build that level of consistency without spending hours second-guessing every image, we use this scene generation text-to-image master prompt that handles everything automatically. Simply paste this prompt in ChatGPT in the same conversation. Then it will generate detailed text-to-image prompts for all the scenes, including the characters present in each scene. Initially, it will generate prompts for the first 5 scenes. Simply continue until all scene prompts are generated. Once all the scene prompts are ready, next we need to generate images for all the scenes with consistent characters. To do this, go to the first scene's text-to-image prompt. Now check which character is present in the scene. In our case, the first scene has the Liam character. Now go to Google Flow and add the Liam character image to the prompt. Next, go back to ChatGPT, copy the detailed text-to-image prompt for scene 1, paste it into Google Flow, and click Generate. Within a few seconds, your scene 1 image featuring the Liam character will be ready. Now download the image and save it as scene 1. Similarly, you can repeat this process for all scenes. Now, if any scene has multiple characters, like scene 10, which has 4 characters, then simply add all 4 character images into the prompt. Next, copy the scene 10 prompt, paste it into Google Flow, and click Generate. Within a few seconds, this scene will be ready with all characters included. Now you understand the exact process of creating scenes with consistent characters. So go ahead, generate images for all scenes and download them, naming each file according to its scene number, just like I have done here. But if you don't want to do this manually because it takes time and effort, then you can use bulk AI image automation to generate all scene images in one click. For that, watch the video mentioned above at timestamp 13 minutes. Once all your scene images are ready, next we move to the step that separates a good AI video from one that actually makes people feel something. We need to convert these scene images into video clips. And this is where everything changes. Because up until this point, we have been working with stillness. Beautiful stillness. But stillness does not make people cry. Stillness does not make someone stop scrolling at 1 a.m. and think, I remember this feeling. Motion does. And not just any motion, the right motion. A child's hand reaching slowly for a cricket bat. A curtain breathing in a summer breeze. A dog lifting its head in golden afternoon light. These are not effects. These are emotional triggers dressed as video clips. And if the motion feels unnatural, even slightly, the viewer's brain registers it instantly. The magic disappears. Immersion breaks, and they are gone. That is why this step demands the same discipline as everything before it. Your characters must look identical to how they looked in the images. The lighting must feel consistent. The movement must feel calm, smooth, and cinematic. Every clip must feel like it belongs to the same world, because it does. And to generate consistent image, we need to generate image-to-video prompt that maintain all of this automatically. And to do this, we will use this one image-to-video master prompt. Simply paste this prompt in ChatGPT and hit Generate. It will create detailed image-to-video prompts for the first 5 scenes, including every character present in each one. Keep continuing until all 50 scene prompts are generated. Now, before we generate the actual video clips, you need access to SuperGrok. And if you don't have it yet, or you want to get it completely free, watch the video linked above at timestamp 30 minutes 35 seconds. I'll wait. Okay, once you have access, go to ChatGPT and copy the image-to-video prompt for scene 1. Then open Grok Imagine. Upload the scene 1 image. Paste the prompt. Click Generate. Within a few seconds, your first video clip is ready. Download it. Save it. Now repeat for every scene. But here's the honest truth. Doing this manually, one scene at a time, is slow, repetitive, and draining. And there is a much better way. You can generate all 50 video clips in bulk, automatically, using a free Chrome extension, in one click. Here's exactly how. Go to Google and search Grok Automation Chrome extension. Click the result that says Grok Automation, AutoGrok on grok.com. Make absolutely sure the logo and developer name match exactly what you see on my screen. There are fake versions out there. Use only the correct one. Install it. Pin it to your browser. Now go to grok.com and launch the extension. Select the Frame to Video option. Set concurrent prompts to 1. Set the random delay to between 25 and 35 seconds, or more. Do not rush this setting. This delay is what keeps your account safe. Now upload all your scene images. But before you hit upload, stop. Check the sequence. Scene 1 must be first. Your last scene must be last. The entire automation depends on this sequence being perfect. If even one image is out of order, your clips will not match their prompts. Verify it manually. Once you are certain the sequence is correct, upload all images. Then verify it again. Now scroll down to the prompt section. Before pasting anything, go back to ChatGPT and enter this exact command. Provide all the above video prompts in a single copyable code block, with one line break between each prompt. Hit send. ChatGPT will format every single prompt into one clean, copyable block, with a line break separating each one. Copy all of it. Go back to the extension. Paste it into the prompt box. Now, this next step is critical. Manually verify that each scene image is matched to its correct prompt. Scene 1 image, Scene 1 prompt. Scene 2 image, Scene 2 prompt. All the way through. Do not skip this verification. One mismatch, and your entire sequence is broken. Once everything is verified, scroll up to Settings. Select Frame to Video. Leave all other settings exactly as they are. Scroll down and set Auto Download Quality to 720p. Save the settings. Go back to Controls. Select the folder where you want your clip saved. Set Output per prompt to 1. Take a breath, and click Run. Now watch what happens. The extension starts working through every single scene, automatically, generating each clip, downloading each clip, naming each clip in the correct sequence, all without you touching a thing. One critical rule: do not close the browser. Do not let your screen go to sleep. Stay present until every single prompt has been executed. And once it's done, you will have a complete folder of 50 cinematic Ghibli-style video clips, named correctly, sequenced perfectly, ready to edit. Now open your video editor and start editing. Now here's something most creators don't understand. There's a myth that AI-generated videos don't get monetized. That is completely false. Actually, low-effort content does not get monetized, whether it is AI or not. The real key is add human creativity, editing, and value. That's what YouTube rewards. If you just merge clips and upload, then yes, monetization can be rejected. But if you edit properly, like remove watermark, crop or scale, cut unnecessary parts, add zoom and transitions, add motion graphics and overlays, add text overlays for context. You can also add sound effects, like birds, rain, or ambient sounds, which you can get for free from Pixabay. If your video includes dialogue, make sure to add captions. Once you do all this, your content becomes unique and valuable. And I can confidently say, your channel can get monetized. I have personally monetized one of my Ghibli channels recently, so you can do it too. Once everything is done, export your video in 4K quality. But just creating a good video is not enough to make it viral. Most new creators make a good video, but publish it with random metadata. And this is where they fail. SEO optimized metadata plays a very important role in making a video go viral. So first of all, you need to set an SEO optimized file name for your video file. Your file name should include relevant keywords and viral intent related to your topic. And to do this, you can use this video file name generator master prompt. Simply paste the prompt in ChatGPT and it will generate 5 viral SEO optimized file names. Now copy one of the file names and rename your exported video file using that name. Next, before publishing the video, we should create a highly optimized playlist. Because playlists help YouTube understand your content better and increase the chances of your video going viral. And to do this, you can use this playlist generation master prompt. Paste it in ChatGPT, and it will generate a viral SEO optimized playlist title and description. Now copy the playlist title and description, go to your YouTube channel, then go to Content, Playlist, New Playlist. Paste the title and description and create your playlist. Next, we need to create an SEO optimized viral title for the video. And to do this, we will use a SEO title generator master prompt. Simply paste the prompt in ChatGPT, replace the topic placeholder with your video topic, and it will generate 5 SEO optimized viral titles. It will also suggest the best title. Now copy that title, and we will use it while uploading the video. Next, we need viral and SEO optimized tags for the video. To do this, we will use the tags generator master prompt. Paste it in ChatGPT, replace the video topic, and it will generate a highly optimized tag list. Now moving to the video description, and this is extremely important. You must include main keyword from the title in the first paragraph. Repeat important keywords in the middle, and again, include them at the end. And to do this efficiently, we will use a video description master prompt. Paste it in ChatGPT, and it will generate a highly optimized description using your title and tags. Now we have all metadata ready, but we still cannot publish the video. Because without a high CTR thumbnail, your video will not perform. So next, we need to create a high CTR thumbnail. To do this, we will use a thumbnail generation master prompt. Paste the prompt, replace the video topic, enter your desired thumbnail text, and it will generate a detailed image prompt. Now here is the trick. Only a few creators know this, but ChatGPT can generate amazing thumbnails. Simply type "create image" and paste your thumbnail prompt. Within seconds, your thumbnail will be ready. But there is one issue. Aspect ratio may not be correct. So download the image, open a new ChatGPT chat, upload the image, and enter "provide a detailed text-to-image prompt for this thumbnail in 16:9 ratio." Now it will generate a proper 16:9 prompt. Copy that prompt, go to Google Flow, select 16:9 ratio, choose 4 outputs, paste the prompt, and generate thumbnails. Now download the best version. Now we are ready to upload the video. But before that, if you watched till here, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more in-depth AI tutorials. You can also support us by joining membership, because soon we will start weekly Discord sessions for Zappiwala Pro members. Now, let's upload the video. Go to your YouTube channel and upload your video. Then go to ChatGPT, copy the SEO title and paste it. Copy the description and paste it in the description field. Upload the thumbnail. Select the playlist we created. Then scroll down and mark "Yes" for altered content. Next, go to tags, copy them from ChatGPT and paste them. Now make sure video language is set to English Australia. Then go to Video Elements, add end screens and cards. Since this is the first video, we can skip it for now. Now upload the video, but publish it as unlisted first. Now here is a critical step. Most creators skip this. Before publishing, play the video once and watch it completely. This helps YouTube process your video faster. And don't worry, watching your own video does not affect analytics. YouTube knows it's the creator. So watch it fully, like the video, leave a comment, and pin it. Now, publish your video between 6 p.m. to 9 p.m. Australian Eastern Standard Time, because this is peak Australian activity time. Now you might think everything is done, but you are still missing something important. The next 24 to 48 hours are critical. In the first 24 hours, do nothing. Do not change the title. Do not change the thumbnail. Do not panic if views are low, because the algorithm is testing click behavior and watch time. Avoid these mistakes. Don't spam links. Don't force traffic. Don't re-upload. Don't keep editing metadata, because this kills algorithm trust. Now observe analytics for 48 hours. Target CTR from 5% to 10% plus. Retention 30% plus. And if you really want to win, start working on your next video. Upload one video every 3 days. Do this consistently for 30 days and you will win the game. And if you still don't know how to get Super Grok for free, make sure to watch the video mentioned above. See you inside that tutorial.